Hey there, welcome back to Card Magic Journey. And if you're new to the card magic, just like I am, or if you're just starting to learn your sleight of hand techniques, you've probably heard the term squaring the deck. But what does that actually mean? And why is it so important to card magic? In today's video, we're going to be talking about normalization or normalizing the deck, which is basically a fancy way of saying that you're going to make the cards look nice and square and nice and put together so you can get them ready to start doing your tricks and your sleight of hands. We're going to cover in today's video 2 different ways to do that, and it's going to be the basic square up and then the all-around square up. Let's show you how to do the basic square up. So it's just a basic all-around deck. Let's say we pick them up. They're, jumbled up like this. We're just going to pick them up, put them in our hands, and just squaring along this way and squaring along this way. Another way you just do the basic is just all your fingers, just take it in, so let's say they're all jumbled up. We're just going to take them in like this, take them in like this, and then go right back into your dealer's position. So all jumbled up to 1, 2, and 3. Now, the all-around square up, this one's a little bit more theatrical, and you're going to use it when you need to justify a little bit more card handling, especially when you're trying to hide something, or if you're trying to turn the cards around 180 degrees. Let's show you how we do that. And remember that the all-around square up is a more advanced technique, but basically all we're doing is we're taking the cards in that end grip, that open end grip, and we're going to put our index finger underneath in the center of the cards here. We're going to take our hands right here and our index finger, put it in the center of the cards. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to square up here, we're going to square up here, and we're going to rotate those cards 180 degrees. Okay, that's one way you can do it to make sure everything's square. Or you can start with this position here. You have your dealer's grip. We're going to put it in the raised or elevated dealer's grip. Index finger down, index finger against the bottom of the cards there. And we'll square it up and then rotate it. So again, square it up. And again, this is more of a theatrical way of doing it. Or if you're trying to hide a break in the cards when you're doing that, or get a break, or maybe do a glimpse of the cards. Remember, deck normalization is one of those subtle details that makes a huge difference, whether you're doing it for real or if you're doing it to cover a move of some sorts. Mastering how you square the deck can make your magic more smooth and much more deceptive. Remember, if this is helpful, if the information in this video has been helpful, or if you're valuing this information, make sure that you give me a subscribe, make sure you give me a like or a thumbs up, make sure you click that bell notification. Also click on that playlist to the right hand side there or in the description below, and that'll bring you to the playlist of all the videos that we have up to this point, starting from the beginning all the way to now. Remember, we are new to card magic, and this is all about learning together. So let's build that community. So anyhow, we'll see you in the next video. My name is Joe. This is my card magic journey. Let's make it yours too.